Looking for the ultimate flying companion to capture stunning shots from above? The best drone camera brings together high-quality imaging, stable flight performance, and smart features, making it perfect for photography, videography, or simply exploring the skies with ease. Starting our list is the DJI Mini 4K drone camera, a compact yet powerful device that is perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is regulation-friendly and does not require registration for recreational use, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants hassle-free flying. Despite its lightweight design, it is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and 4K ultra-high-definition camera that allows you to capture cinematic shots with incredible clarity. Whether it is sunrise, sunset, or nighttime scenes, the image quality remains sharp and professional. The DJI Mini 4K also stands strong in challenging conditions, offering stability even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour thanks to its efficient brushless motors. It can even take off at altitudes of up to 4,000 meters, giving you the freedom to capture breathtaking landscapes from high above. Battery life is another highlight, with options of 1, 2, or 3 batteries, extending flight time up to an impressive 93 minutes. That means you can focus more on creating and less on worrying about power. Ease of use is a major feature of this drone. With one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering, beginners will find flying simple and intuitive. Intelligent quick-shot modes such as Droney, Rocket, Circle, Helix, and Boomerang add creativity to your videos with just a few taps. Included in the package are the drone, remote controller, cables, battery, and accessories, ensuring you have everything you need for smooth 4K flights. The DJI Mini 4K is not only affordable, but also versatile, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography experience. Taking the second spot is the Potensic Atom SE drone camera, a lightweight yet feature-packed drone designed for effortless flying and high-quality shooting. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is regulation-friendly and does not require registration for recreational use, making it an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy flying without extra hassle. Its foldable and compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere, even fitting into a jacket pocket, while the durable brushless motor ensures stable flights and resistance against level 5 winds. The Atom SE is equipped with a 4K electronic image stabilization camera, powered by a Sony sensor, capable of capturing 12-megapixel photos and recording 4K video at 30 frames per second. With the exclusive Shake Vanish technology, you get smooth and stable footage, complemented by a wide 118-degree field of view and adjustable vertical angles from plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees. For beginners, the Surge Fly flight control system offers multiple modes, including beginner, video, normal, and sport. This flexibility allows you to gradually develop your piloting skills, with sport mode offering speeds of up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds. Battery performance is another highlight, as the drone comes with two 2500 mAh intelligent batteries, giving you up to 62 minutes of total flight time. Combined with the PicSync 2.0 transmission system, you get stable, low-latency video streaming and a control range of up to 4 kilometers. Safety is assured with precise GPS-assisted return to home, while extra features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight expand your creative possibilities. Next on our list is the Holystone HS360S drone camera, a sleek and lightweight drone that combines ease of use with advanced features, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Weighing just under 250 grams, this drone eliminates the need for FAA or remote ID registration, giving you full freedom to fly without added paperwork. Despite its compact design, it delivers professional-grade performance, making it an excellent choice for those who want a portable yet powerful camera drone. Equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera powered by a Galaxy Core sensor, the HS360 captures stunning 3800 by 2160 pixel photos and videos with an 85-degree wide-angle lens. The camera can be adjusted up to 90 degrees using the controller or mobile application, giving you flexible shooting angles and creative freedom. One of its most impressive features is the 10,000-foot long-range transmission, made possible by Holystone's advanced intelligence control system. This allows you to explore farther while enjoying smooth, real-time video streaming without relying solely on Wi-Fi, thanks to the upgraded direct connection between your smartphone and the controller. At number 4, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro drone camera stands out as a professional-grade option built for serious aerial photography enthusiasts. Unlike many lightweight drones, this model is fully FAA certified and comes with a visible remote ID, giving you confidence and compliance while flying. Weighing 550 grams, it feels robust and stable in the air, backed by its advanced brushless motors, compass, gyroscope, and barometer. Designed to withstand level 6 winds, the F7 GB2 can even operate at altitudes of up to 2,000 meters, making it an excellent companion for adventurous flights in high-altitude locations or breezy conditions. The highlight of this drone is its detachable 4K ultra-high-definition camera with a 120-degree field of view and a large CMOS sensor that captures stunning clarity in both day and night conditions. With a 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom, the drone ensures stable, smooth footage even when capturing complex shots or transitioning between distances. Whether you are filming landscapes, city skylines, or personal travel adventures, the F7 GB2 delivers cinematic results. Battery life is one of its strongest features, as the package includes 3 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, allowing for a total of up to 75 minutes of flight time. This extended performance makes it possible to film longer sessions without frequent interruptions. The control range reaches up to 3,000 meters, allowing you to explore large areas while maintaining a steady connection. Finally, at number 5, we have the PLEGBLE 511 drone camera, a lightweight and beginner-friendly drone that combines ease of use with impressive camera performance. Weighing under 250 grams, it does not require FAA or remote ID registration, making it a worry-free choice for both beginners and casual flyers. The compact, foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable, allowing you to take it anywhere and enjoy outdoor flights with ease. Despite its small size, the PLEGBLE is equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera that features a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 90-degree adjustable tilt. Paired with smooth FPV transmission, it captures stunning photos and videos from different perspectives, ensuring your aerial shots are both immersive and detailed. One of the highlights of this drone is its flight endurance. With 3 modular batteries included, the PLEGBLE delivers up to 45 minutes of total flight time, giving you extended opportunities to explore and record without frequent recharging. The batteries are UL certified, support fast USB-C charging, and are designed for durability, capable of withstanding up to 500 charge cycles. Stability is another strength of this model, as it uses brushless motors for more efficient propulsion and stronger wind resistance.